E aí, galerinha, sejam todos bem... E aí, galerinha, sejam todos bem-vindos a mais uma gameplay de Red Dead Redemption 2. Peço para todos que estiverem chegando, deixem um like, não vai custar nada. Participem da comunidade do Discord. Participem também do TikTok. E quem quiser ajudar aí na campanha, quem quiser uma doação com Pix, também agradeço. Bom, galera, hoje aqui a gente vai continuar as aventuras de Arthur Morgan. Vamos ver. Vamos ver aqui, continuar as aventuras no novo acampamento onde nós estamos, né? Península Clemens. Hoje nós vamos conhecer aqui a região da cidade de Rhodes com Arthur Morgan. Esse jogo aqui é fenomenal. Vamos continuar aqui, vamos ver. Vamos ver aqui. Começamos com o Arthur. Salvar, né? Vamos com um touch aqui. O novo sul, olha lá.
How you doing, old friend? It's funny, us ending up down here. My daddy died in a field in Pennsylvania fighting this lot. I ever tell you that? Many times. I see how boring you, Arthur. What do you mean? We lost men back there.
Em Valentine perdemos.
Goals, Arthur. We're trying to reform society to a kinder, truer, better way. Now, of course, there's gonna be casualties.
Vai haver baixa.
In a world that don't want us no more. We are dreamers in an ever duller world of facts. Now, I'll give you that, but come on. We got the day.
Ainda temos o dia.
Old Jose says there's a creek around here. I reckon it's full of fish.
Tem um riacho aqui cheio de peixes. Josiah disse. É um novo acampamento, né, galera? Aqui, ó. Estamos conhecendo.
Hey, old girl, come on down here. Why don't you us this creek you've been pissing in. Hey, you don't look too rosy, old friend. I thought this warmer weather would... My days are looking good long over.
Então nós vamos conhecer essa parte do mapa lá, Rhodes.
Always dream crushing and bubble bursting, you. Come on, Hosea. Let's go fishing.
Vamos pescar.
Come on, then. Let's go, boy.
Dutch, Josiah e Arthur.
Okay, go. Ha. All right. Why don't we just fish here? There's a whole lake of them. Because I need to get
Porque precisa sair pouco, eu e a velha guarda. Vamos pescar.
It was us.
The curious couple and their unruly son.
It feels good here. You did well finding that spot, Arthur. More Charles than me. It's like I can breathe again, thick and soupy as this air is. Might even do your whistling pipes some good, Hosea.
I was once in this
Seus
country
roncos, Josiah. Na área com a peste. Parece que foi em outra vida.
It was a lifetime ago. But what a life we have lived. How well we have fought. Especially both of you. I hope so.
Espero que sim.
When things are desperate, we have to stick with the plan.
Temos que seguir o Josiah, conseguir dinheiro suficiente para encontrar um lugar onde ninguém vai nos achar. Legal.
Like where?
I got some ideas hatching, but I need you with me, not against me. Both of you. Of course. Still, we do need money.
Precisamos de dinheiro.
Keep a low profile, especially in the local
Especialmente na cidade local.
After Valentine, I want
Por Valentine quer ver todo mundo se comportando sem confusões. Ok.
Start turning over the soil.
O Dutch pediu para a gangue não usar armas
See what turns up.
ou causar problemas em Rhodes. Olha lá.
We've got to be discreet.
Imagine.
Imagino quanto mais ricos em nós devem ser por aqui.
There must be down here.
O Dutch pediu nessa região para que nós não fazemos confusão.
Oh, this is perfect for you, Hosea. You'll be able to play them like a fiddle.
Nothing would give me greater pleasure, but
No buts.
Opa, o trem tá passando.
We fish and we enjoy the day. Looks like law up ahead.
Ajam naturalmente. Autoridades adiante.
hello, gentlemen.
Outro Trelawny.
Look what the cat drug in.
Well, look who it is. Quiet back there.
Let's see if we can't sort this out.
É o Trelawny que tá preso lá.
How are you, boys?
Fine.
This is quite some country you have here.
Like it well enough.
Hoagie McIntosh, at your service.
Ok, Macintosh. O Late Gray, esse é meu oficial ótimo, Gray.
It's good to meet you.
You a Scot?
Esse era o xerife local.
The best part.
Of course.
Now, tell me,
course.
sir, what did the silly, fancy fox back there do? Nothing too terrible, I trust.
Oh, Joshua
Accused of
Trelawny
running
tá
a
preso.
gold mining investment scam.
Oh, no. I'm sure he
Oh,
wasn't.
no.
He is a magician. I know him. He's a fool. But he is not a bad fellow. Now,
Xerife lá.
can we just...
I wouldn't do that if I were you.
Shit!
Oh, escapou, shit!
Anderson boys! I can't have more scandals!
Vamos ter mais escandalosos. Vamos lá.
Allow us to help, my friend.
Vamos ajudar, meu amigo. Arthur, perseguiu. Homens por assim, vai lá, Arthur.
On with you.
Just what I signed up for. Come on, big guy!
Perhaps we can discuss the foolish magician.
Vamos lá, atrás dele.
That train. Keep your guns holstered. We need them Anderson boys alive. Come on, hurry.
All right.
Come on,
Alright.
we're losing them.
Will you relax? We're not losing them.
Faster, come on.
Rápido, anda. Qual é o seu nome, senhor? Arthur Callahan. Ah, tá mentindo seu nome.
Callahan, please. My neck is on the line here.
I get it. I'm doing my best.
Tá, ok. já não
You
disse.
said plenty.
Olha os homens lá. Ih, rapaz.
Idiot! Now get after the others.
Vai atrás do anda.
The train's slowing down to go through the station. Now's our chance. See if you can get alongside the train. Faster! You need to get alongside it. See the flat carriage? Head for that. Get us as close as you can. You think you can jump on there?
Hey, by me.
Watch out!
Oh, nossa! Eita porra!
That's enough. Damn it.
Caraca, velho.
Go on, don't lose them.
Running ain't gonna help.
Eu não posso matá-los.
Stay on them. Bastard!
Vai, sossega.
Damn bastard! Get the hell away from me! Gonna be dead soon, partner! You stop them, I'll stop the train. Stop!
Para o trem!
Run! Don't let them get away!
I'm coming for you next.
I'm gonna ride ahead and stop the train. It's just us then, lawman. Come here.
We need to bother.
Let me go.
Can't do that.
Tá ficando inveja.
Piece of shit. Come on. Just don't kill them.
Are you sure?
Sadly so. I don't think I can open the door from the outside, unfortunately. Try at least. Watch yourself. He's as dirty as he comes. Just some time and we'll take it in, all right?
O arco é bom de briga.
Hello? Is everything all right in there?
Well, I don't think he's dead. I think I won the fight.
Nossa, tá um pouco.
Now just about.
Nossa, tá um pouco sangrado. É isso aí,
Bring him out here.
Deputy,
oficial.
Sounded like quite a commotion. Is that him?
I sincerely hope so.
Old Anders
Velho
Anderson.
Anderson.
Take him in.
Anderson, o nome do professor.
A fine job. Well done. And a pat on the back for me for stopping the train. There you go. You are a natural.
Legal,
All right,
legal.
let's take him in. Follow me.
What about the others?
Oh, we'll round him up.
Oh, nós vamos pegá-los mais tarde,
There's
usando
the
o cérebro
That's
da
really
operação.
saying something.
You're the boss.
That was mighty
Oh, tem
impressive,
umas
sir.
fazendas
I
aqui.
have to
Quem
admit,
é?
I'd hazard a guess you've served the law yourself at some point.
Well, I wouldn't exactly say that.
Are you familiar with the area here?
Conhece bem essa? Não, na verdade não.
On your right here, the
Aqui à sua direita, esse campo de tabaco.
This is part of
Eles
Calico
fazem parte da
Hall,
fazenda
estate
Gáliga,
belonging to
quando a
the Gray
propriedade
family.
pertence à família Gray. Os família Gray? Ah,
Yes, we are in dire need of some rain round here, let me tell you.
a família, os
The
Gray.
Grays have
Olha lá,
lived in Calico Hall
a
for
fazenda
generations.
Gáliga, as gerações, são gente boa.
My family's been working for them for years. Sheriff
Eles
Gray's
faz
the one I
anos.
know
O xerife
best.
Gray é o que
They'll
conheço.
have the-
Ah, o xerife Gray, que chama.
businesses in town.
Which town?
Que cidade?
Rhodes, sir.
Rhodes, senhor, você não conhece.
Where we're
É
headed
para onde
right now
estamos indo agora.
ain't what it was before the war, but it
Não é
has
mais o
its
que era
charms.
antes de guerra, mas
I'm sure you already know of the
os
Braithwaites.
Gray.
I guess just got down here.
Another big family in these parts.
Estas
They have
são
an estate
os
west of
Braithwaites,
here.
né?
Awful people, truly
Pessoas
awful.
horríveis de verdade.
They've been fighting with the Grays for as long as I can remember.
Sounds like quite a place.
Parece que
you
você
got
tem um lugar e tanto, né, aqui. Então aqui é a família dos Gray. Pera aí.
We're gonna bear left here.
O Dutch pediu para a gangue não usar armas ou causar problemas em Rhodes. Legal. Nossa, aqui é Rhodes. Tá tipo bonita, hein?
Here we are. Welcome to Rhodes. Up there on your left is the Rhodes Parlor House.
Temos o salão de Rhodes.
Very reputable saloon.
O salão de grande reputação.
They also have a
Pertence à família. Também temos armas em geral. Um armeiro, uma agente, uma estação de trem, é claro.
What more do you need?
De que mais vocês
Very
precisam?
little.
De muito pouco.
They're back.
Nossa,
And that's your friend, right?
Yep.
Okay, we're gonna stop just ahead
Gray.
on the right.
O
outside
que
the
está escrito
sheriff's
aqui?
office.
Gray Ulen.
Can you grab Anders off your horse and carry him in for me?
Primeira vez em Rhodes.
Chop, chop. Don't just leave him slumped on there for the whole town to see.
Primeira vez estamos em Rhodes.
Okay, this way. Mr. Gray!
Sr. Gray, pegamos ele.
Very good. I told you Arthur would
E eu
deliver.
disse que o Arthur
Man has
conseguiria.
passion for justice.
That's wonderful.
So, about my friend here,
Your
Sobrou
idiot
meu
friend
amigo
is
aqui.
free to go. But no more trouble from you, partner.
I promise you this
Isso
was
foi só
all
um grande mal entendido. Oh,
a
sim.
misunderstanding.
Oh, senhor
I want to thank you from
Trelawny.
the bottom of my heart.
Now, I pretend to appreciate that. Mr. McIntosh, it has
Meu
been a
Mac, foi um
real
prazer.
pleasure. The mostly good
Bom
citizens of
cidadão de
Rhodes,
Rhodes.
we welcome you.
Eles estão
we're
boas-vindas.
just honored to be
É uma
here.
honra
Make your
estar aqui.
friend behave. We got enough trouble from some
Oh,
of the
Xerife Gray
residents,
gostou.
old-timers who've gone, sadly, to seed and lost their dignity.
How terrible.
Que horrível.
Come on now. I will keep this fellow on the straight
Vamos
and
manter esse sujeito no caminho certo.
Come back and see us sometime soon.
Com-
Excuse me,
Com licença,
gentlemen.
cavaleiros.
Oh, he's better be ugly
É
rude.
bom ser um bando de
True, you were
rumores.
seen talking to that wretched Penelope Braithwaite.
A Penélope pelo Great
Where
Wake.
have you
Olha lá.
been?
Around,
And where you staying?
I'm renting.
Aluguei uma caravana.
Edge of town
Senhor
behind the
Trelawny.
church. It's horrible, but no one comes
Quem passa por lá?
The whole town is
A
trapped.
cidade toda está presa nessa disputa interminável entre duas famílias.
His lot
O pessoal deles, os Gray
and Braithwaite.
e os Braithwaite.
Two old plantation
Das antigas fazendas. E desafios por causa de um outro rebelde.
marrying cousins or not.
Casar ou não casar com primos.
Jose, you start
Art,
poking around.
vocês conhecem a investigar. Veja o que consegue
I
descobrir
haven't
sobre
missed
isso.
you, boys.
Beleza,
I've
Dutch.
heard about bounty.
There's been a price
Tem
on
um
my
preço pela
head
minha
for
cabeça há
13
13
years.
anos.
It'll take a month to find us down here.
Vai encontrar gente
Seems
aqui.
like
E parece
we have a little
que podemos nos divertir um pouco. Bem, são boas recompensas.
Some
Onde você...
fellas I met at the
Ah.
camp near the state line said there was talk of it in bars in the north and west for 500 miles. There was talk of super agents of some sort.
super agents. I'd love to meet one. It's just
Ah,
talk.
entendi.
I'm sure it is, but I couldn't not tell you.
Stay out of trouble.
Thank you, gentlemen.
Ok.
Okay, so these two plantation families. Are
É, lá de Arthur, veja o que você descobre lá pela propriedade dos Gray.
is there?
Yeah, I passed
É, eu
by
passei
it
por lá
earlier
mais
with
cedo com o
our
nosso
friend
amigo Archibald.
Good. Hosea, you see what you can find.
Veja o que consegue descobrir sobre esses Braithwaite.
All right.
Tá bem.
Thank you, Arthur.
Obrigado, Arthur,
Quite a fishing trip.
pela piscaria essa.
There's still time.
Ainda tem tempo, eu
I'm
topo.
up for it.
How about you, Arthur?
E você, Arthur?
Have you had enough of the chase for one day?
Aceitar convite para ir pescar. Vamos lá?
Sure, why not?
Great.
Ótimo. Zé, por que você não leva a gente até aquele lugar que mencionou?
Kind of like this place.
Eu meio que gosto desse lugar.
Let's see if we can avoid any more excitement.
Cadê nossos cavalos? Legal, rapaz. Rhodes.
All right, gentlemen, follow me.
So how far is this?
Você acha que tá muito longe?
It's a bit of a ride still, and it's not a creek. It's the same lake we camped on, just a different part. It'll be worth it. I saw some big
Vale a
toms,
pena, vi uns
stretching
extorsões.
should be
Ah,
rock bass,
da hora.
bluegills, perch, pickerel too. It's a good spot.
We'll see if you're as good at catching fish as you are at catching criminals, Arthur.
Trelawny owes me for that.
O Trelawny me deve essa.
Trelawny knows
O Trelawny deve
everyone
algo a todo
something,
mundo.
but his information is good.
Plus, we are now
Saímos nas
ingratiated
boas
with
graças
the
das
local law.
autoridades locais.
I'd say it was worthwhile diversion all around.
Where is this spot, Hosea? Timbuktu?
Not too much farther. Anyway, you two never told me properly about that business with Cornwall in Valentine. What happened there? Apart from scaring the living daylights out of Mr. Strauss.
That was about the only upside. John and I didn't even have time to get paid for the sheep we rustled.
It is safe to say Mr. Cornwall isn't a man to let
Spot price.
bygones be bygones.
Ambushed us in the saloon. He came with a lot of guards and what
Os
seemed
emboscou
like
num
just
salão.
about every lawman in the county.
We've had closer shaves, but not that many.
And if Cornwall found us, the Pinkertons couldn't have
Podem
been
não
far
estar
behind.
muito longe.
They found me when I was
Eles
fishing
me
with
acharam
Jack.
quando eu tava pescando com o Jack, né?
Listen, it was good we moved when we did.
Ele embora quando fomos, mas essa pessoa já ficou pra trás.
Yes. Watch out! Jack told me you were a good teacher when you took him fishing.
Ah,
I said he must have you confused with someone else.
Very funny. So, you're going back to see that Xerife Gray?
Yeah. I
é,
don't
não
see
vejo
why
por que
not.
não, ninguém.
They don't know who we are down here.
He didn't seem the sharpest attacks. Neither did that deputy.
Não parece ser muito
He
esperto,
thinks we
chefe.
can be useful to him. He can certainly be useful to us. A little hiding in plain sight.
I feel like we're always hiding in plain sight.
This is the spot. Down to the left there.
Coming past.
Go on.
Cuidado, cuidado. Assim que a gangue Dutch começou, né? Com os trio, né?
I saw some boats around last time. Be good to get to deeper water.
As águas
Hey,
profundas.
those the boats you mean?
Yes. Good. Yeah. Oh.
Legal, o rio aqui é enorme, hein?
In front of you.
Yeah, okay.
I'm sure nobody would mind if we borrowed one of these. Come on.
Vamos pescar, vamos pescar.
All right. This looks like a fine vessel.
Okay.
Ok.
Come on, Arthur. Let's get her in the water.
Arthur, Dutch e José indo pescar, que da hora.
I got a good feeling about fishing here. It's supposed to be some incredible
Vamos lá,
sturgeon.
Joséia.
Oh,
Okay, here we go.
O bar.
Let me go. You boys are too old for real labor no more?
You're too dumb for anything else.
You're still too quick for me, old man.
Vou passar bastante tempo aqui. Vou fazer todas as missões na Península Clemens.
Pray for good luck and stupid fish.
Legal, cara.
What about
Dá
stupid luck?
pra explorar bem, ó.
That'll do too. Get us a bit deeper.
Use o A para apertar repetidamente. Esse barco tá ótimo.
I think here's good.
All right. Good luck, gentlemen. You won't catch much without a rod.
Should really come here at dawn or dusk. That's when you catch the best
Ok.
fish. We should use a lake lure. That'll give us a much better chance of hooking
O que
something
você me
big.
deu uma receita de isca? Oh, que da hora. Nova isca.
A good old worm.
Oh, worms are good for tiddlers like bluegill and rock bass, but you'd have to be real lucky to catch a sturgeon with one.
Lures it is, then. You heard the expert, Arthur. Let's bait up.
Keep the lure moving
E aí,
slowly
se
on the
mexendo.
water so it looks like a little fish just
Ó, o Zé dando
asking
umas
to
aulas de
be
pesca.
eaten.
You got something biting, Arthur. That's on the hook, Arthur.
Com essa isca eu vou pegar peixes maiores, certo?
I think that's a bite. Got him?
I got a bite. Got one. Ah, I should have had that one.
Opa, grandão.
Look at this beauty.
There you go.
Well done, Arthur.
They can
you
grow
go.
a lot bigger than that. Fella told me he once saw a monster lake sturgeon near the mouth of the river.
Perto da
just
voz do rio,
southwest of
sudoeste,
Saint-Denis.
Saint-Denis.
50-pounder, he reckoned.
I would like to see that.
Hey, Hosea, you remember that time we sent Arthur out fishing? He came back with 3 beautiful bass.
Dutch, você pegou também?
This again.
I don't think I do.
Oh, yeah, you do. He was maybe 20, 21, walked in all full of himself. We had a big feast, toasted him all night.
This was 15 years ago.
Oh, I remember now.
Then, the next week, Arthur and I are at the market.
Ah.
The fishmonger calls out, "So how did you enjoy those
Dutch tá
bass?"
se divertindo.
Look, you can fish, or you can go drinking all day,
Oh, que da hora.
rob someone, and buy some fish.
Lutar com isso.
Nicely done, Arthur.
Os peixes maiores eu pego com essa isca, então.
I used to go fishing with this feller back in the day. Wesley, his name was. Real miserable bastard, but he loved to fish. We'd go out all the time. But one day, we were river fishing when we see a funeral procession going over the bridge, and out of the blue, Wesley stands up, takes off his hat, bows his head. Then he sits down, picks his rod back up, and carries on. Doesn't say a word. So I'm a little surprised.
Terceiro
and say,
peixe, vamos lá.
"Wesley, that was nice of you." He replies, "Well, felt I had to. After all, I was married to her for 30 years.
Oh, there he is.
Oh, dear God. I might swim to shore.
Ha! Got ya! Remember those big salmon I caught in Montana last year? We had a banquet planned that night until Copper went and scoffed a lot.
You never had control of that dog.
He had some spirit, though. Never lost the puppy in him, right to the end.
You know, I remember us saying how Blackwater was the furthest east we'd ever been. As a group, I mean.
Feels like the more we try to head west, the further east we end up.
We had all those safe spots picked out to lie low in New Austin after the ferry. Yeah,
I like it there. Still open and wild the way it
Ah,
should
só
be.
posso ir com essa isca por
Somehow
enquanto.
the desert makes you feel closer to the sky.
No point us trying to get back that way anytime soon. Pinkertons have patrols out all over tall trees and great plains. We saw when we went back for Sean.
Well, look at us now, huh? It could be worse.
Facada peixão.
That's just how life goes. Just gotta reel him in now, Arthur. Did I ever tell you my mother's buried in Blackwater?
Really?
Está enterrado em Blackwater.
Apparently so. I only found out from an uncle.
O que a mãe do Dutch está enterrada em
She
Blackwater?
was still outside Philadelphia.
Não sabia
I
não.
left home at 15 and didn't see her
Curiosidade, hein?
She and I didn't always see eye to eye. I wasn't always a very obedient child.
I can only
O Dutch está
imagine.
contando que a mãe dele está enterrada em
I loved
Blackwater.
her in my own way, and she me in hers. Somehow, even from the grave, she managed to have the last laugh.
You got a bite. Now reel him in, Arthur.
Calma aí, esse aqui é feroz, hein?
Good job, Arthur.
Já peguei vários, hein?
Yeah, that's a keeper.
Something's nibbling. There we go.
There we go.
You got a bite there, Arthur. Nice, you hooked him. You're getting the hang of this.
Holding out for a bigger one, are you?
Vamos continuar pescando aqui.
Arthur's got a bite.
Fish on the line, Arthur.
Eu sei, o Dutch.
Well done. That'll grill up nice.
Uma última vez, vai.
You hooked him.
Not bad, Arthur.
Keeping that one, eh?
Hey, I reckon we call it a day, fellas.
Already?
You ain't been chasing down outlaws.
All right.
Já,
So
mas
we
tá
got
bom.
a decent haul here. Pearson will be happy. Should we head back?
We could keep the boat not too far back to camp from here.
Good idea. Could be useful.
What about the horses?
Veja os cavalos.
Find their way back.
Just follow the shore south, Arthur.
That was fun. Thank you, boys. Yeah, Hosea.
Yes.
Olha, Zéia, que tal uma música?
Okay.
Vai lá, música.
All right, I got one for you.
Fique comigo.
I said, gotta give me some. She says, wait till the taters is
Olha lá, música do Dutch, Josiah e Marco.
I couldn't wait till the taters was done. I couldn't wait till the taters was
Legal, legal.
I wish to God I'd passed her by. I wish to God I'd passed her by.
Depois você volta da ilha aqui.
That was pretty good. But you know, what song we should be singing?
What?
Well, look at us. Three mariners.
Ah, of course.
Oh, somos três marinheiros.
We come from the sea.
Quero dar a volta pra ver o que tem aqui.
Spend our lives in jeopardy while others live at ease. Shall we go dance this round, round, round? Shall we go dance this round, round, round?
Os três marinheiros. Os três marinheiros.
We care not for martial men that do
Ah, é verdade. Olha, galera. Tem parte pirata aqui perto.
merchantmen that do our states maintain. To them we dance this round, round, round. To them we dance this round, round, round. And he that is a bully boy, come pledge me on this ground, 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 ground. Oh, bravo!
Bravo. Well, you know, we should not let the folks back at camp think we had too much fun.
Indeed not.
O Arthur tá cansado já. Nossa, cara, isso consome muita estamina. O quê? Ah, tomar no cu. Eu só queria dar a volta na ilha.
All right. Think we got a decent haul here. Pearson will be happy. Should we head back?
Could keep the boat not too far back to camp from here.
Good idea. Could be useful.
What about the horses?
They'll find their way back.
Just follow the shore south, Arthur.
That was fun. Thank you, boys. Now, Hosea,
Yes.
how about a song?
Okay.
Olha os cavalos retornando lá ao acampamento.
All right, I got one for you. I asked that gal to give me some.
I asked that gal to give me some. She says, wait till the taters is done. I couldn't wait till the taters was done. I couldn't wait till the taters was done. Threw her on the floor and knocked off some. I wish to God I'd passed her by. I wish to God I'd passed her by. Taters got burned and so did I.
That was pretty good. But you know, what song we should be singing?
What?
Look at us. Three mariners.
Ah! Of course!
Well, we three poor mariners newly come from the seas. We spend our lives in jeopardy while others live at ease. Shall we go dance this round, round, round? Shall we go dance this round, round, round? And here is a bully boy, come pledge me on this round, 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 round. We care not for men that do our state's disdain. But we care for the merchantmen who do our state's maintain. To them we dance this round, around, around. To them we dance this round, around, around. And he that is a bully boy, come pledge me on this ground, 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 ground. Oh, bravo! Bravo!
Bravo.
You know, we should not let the folks back camp.
Indeed not.
Essas ilhas aqui depois eu vou explorar com o tempo. Oh, isso!
All right. I think
Eu acho que bem quer dizer nós.
gonna be okay.
Vamos ficar bem, isso.
I know. Oh, I always know.
Sempre soube.
Whenever I got
Sempre que tenho
you two by my
vocês dois
side,
no meu lado.
things are gonna be just fine.
O Zé é o cérebro da operação da gangue, né?
This place will be good for us. For now, anyway.
I hope so.
Espero que sim.
Well, I am going to take in the view.
There he is.
Greetings, my boy.
We'll be working on a plan there.
Always.
Anyway, won't disturb you.
Whatever you say.
Don't mind me, Dutch.
Arthur. Why are you acting like a fool?
It's all good. Calm down.
Is that your idea of sense of humor?
O que o Trelawny tem aqui? Ó.
Herr Morgan.
Herr Strauss.
Senhor
How are
Strauss.
you enjoying yourself
Já
here?
é outro despegado.
I
É bom o
guess.
suficiente, eu acho.
Well, it turns out
Acontece que a busca pela liberdade não é um negócio barato.
Not for us and not for some of
Nem
the
para alguns dos
locals.
habitantes
Shocking
locais.
already.
Já tá de
I prefer
ajustado.
to call it banking.
Ah,
One handing out the beatings.
No, but I am the one feeding the women and children in the camp. What choice do we have, Mr. Morgan?
I don't know. Well, come on then. Tell me who.
Here's the list. Refinery worker turned hunter by the name of Vinton Holmes. You'll find him up in the hills north of Strawberry. Ah, an apprentice undertaker. This one working in Rhodes. His name was Gwen Hughes.
And how many of them do you think will be able to pay?
With enough encouragement, both of them.
vamos lá, vamos lá. O que o Marca tá fazendo?
Micah?
Sit down, my dearest friend, and show me just what you got.
And forgive me if I slip.
Me desculpe, eu escolhi de uma facada na sua cara.
You know, I think the last time I played this was with
Oh.
Skinny and those boys and Strawberry. Before, well, things all went a little crazy.
A little crazy?
A feller stupid enough to disrespect me during
Durante
a
jogo de faca.
deserves
Ah.
what he gets. Huh. Maybe I should find a toddler somewhere and play with him instead.
Oh. God damn it.
Huh. They're just fingers, right?
O Mike é bom no jogo de faca.
I don't want you to lose the whole hand.
Ow!
Come on, Dan. Gosh darn it.
Eu venci.
Shit.
Ooh, Jesus. This is too easy. That was a good time, thank you.
Mike perdeu.
Evening.
I want a rematch with the knife, Morgan.
Gentlemen.
Hey,
Why don't you sit a while, Arthur?
All right there.
Vamos passar o acampamento da noite aqui.
You know,
All right.
I ain't even sure who we running from no more. The Pinkertons? Cornwall?
All the same thing in my mind. Cornwall's sure to be lying in the Pinkertons' pockets, along with everyone else's.
O Dutch.
Arthur. You okay?
Save your legs. You'll need them.
You regretting falling in with us yet? Didn't figure we'd be on the run like this.
I've been on the run for a long time before this.
This is all right.
Toca uma viola pra nós aí, Xavier.
How did we end up over this way?
Huh?
Well, I guess we know the answer to that.
Sure, Arthur.
Hi, Shaw.
All right.
Having a rest there, are you?
And boy, have I earned it.
I swear, Uncle's more use around here than you are.
Nah, not this again.
Don't worry, I'm just playing with you.
We know what you're doing.
Well, I should get back to it.
All right, Arthur.
Have a nice evening.
Hey, Arthur.
Hosea.
Might as well rest while you...
Hosea. Fazer mais uma missão. No modo história, depois eu vou explorar aqui o Rhodes.
Okay, that's enough for me.
You okay?
Yep.
Right as rain.
What again?
Vamos jogar um pouco de poker.
Who wants to play some poker?
Okay.
Ok, John.
One of these days, I want to try my hand at liar's dice.
Ele não tio.
Not that I'm saying I'm a liar.
Used to spend a lot of nights playing this game.
Passar o tempo livre aqui no acampamento jogando poker.
I'll see you.
Here's some crumbs.
Kid wages, huh? Cute.
How about we do this?
Yep, figures.
All right then.
Check.
I don't think. Come on, let's get this going.
Shoot.
Ah, desistiram. Ah.
Yeah. There we go. Why don't we up the ante here? Lose your ass to strip and jump in the water. Oh, wait.
Ah, o perdedor ficava pelado.
No intention of losing anyway.
Nobody can say you suffer a crisis of confidence, John.
Deixa eu aumentar as apostas.
Call.
Call.
Check.
Here. You ain't got more than that?
Gotta step up sometime.
Okay then.
Let's see. Okay.
All right.
Fair enough.
Yeah, I know. Pretty pathetic.
All right then.
Damn.
Okay.
How's this stack up?
I thought I had it.
Woo! All right.
Oh não, Marcos ganhou.
Shit.
That's more like it.
Oh shit.
Don't get buttoned out, Joe.
Okay. Yours, fair and square. My mama taught me how to play this.
They say unlucky in cards, lucky in love, but
Lucky
I'm
Lou.
unlucky in both.
Nossa, o tio só desiste.
Yes.
I'm going easy.
That's all? Ooh, real exciting stuff. I know. Ain't too exciting.
You're playing your own way, huh?
Okay. I'ma play slow.
Sure you can afford all that?
There you go.
That's horse crap.
Go.
What do you think, boys?
There.
Yeah, yes!
Riding that.
Yes.
Yeah, full house.
I might have to go take a piss in the lake in a minute.
Sure.
I'll check.
Here. That's it for now.
You are yellow, aren't you?
Starting to doubt yourself, huh?
Sure.
Here.
Mm-hmm. Makes sense.
I'm in.
Well, shit.
Maybe you don't want to play, huh? Yeah! Oh ho! Yes! Yeah! Keep it going, keep it going.
Well, okay.
Okay.
Ain't this a fine old time? The best. Call.
Check.
Check.
Nah.
Nah.
Yep, check.
You're a pretty dull player.
Now,
done
why
here.
is there a smile on your face, then? Check.
You play it safe, huh?
You got jack and squat.
Here.
I'm going big.
Get a load of you.
Agora você, tio.
Out here.
Oh, you gotta be joking.
Old Uncle's doing this.
Wrong.
Oh, no, shit.
Got some luck in me yet?
Well, this ain't so bad. It ain't the West, but it'll do for now.
Yeah.
Vamos lá, vamos lá, vamos lá.
Check for me. Forgive me. It's all I can afford.
Learning how to play.
Nah.
Here, just a little. This game might be too big for you.
Check, I think.
Now here's the respectable bet. Don't cry on me.
Hell, I got nothing.
Ooh, this could work.
De novo.
That's a decent hand.
Yeah, that works.
You wouldn't see me sitting at a table like this in Rhodes, believe me.
Ha, well. Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm going easy.
Check.
Here.
Damn it.
Oh ho. Not bad. Not bad.
Vamos ver.
Getting stuck in a rut here.
Man, you're real unlucky. You really that dumb?
Here. That's it for now.
Careful, money bags.
Ah, pera aí.
Some of us work, you know.
That's all you got for us?
Ah, vou jogar mais essa e depois vou desistir, vamos ver.
Huh.
Take a look.
Okay. Here, look.
Ganhei.
Yes, come on. All right, let's turn this around.
Well, shit, can I borrow your luck sometime?
I guess I'm about done.
Vamos dormir.
Arthur.
Lenny.
Vamos descansar essa noite aqui. Oh.
Hey,
Então, o que que é?
Yeah. So, tell
me, is
Então
your
me diga,
people,
a sua família,
Jacobite or English
Arthur.
lovers, Arthur?
My people were
Minha
peasants.
família é lá do campo.
We had no time for
Não tinha
politics.
tempo pra política.
My dad was
Meu
saying
pai
no
dizia que falar de
politics
política
was
também é
That
política.
old world bullshit, it ain't got no place here.
Aham.
Because there ain't no judgment here. Most folks hate the Negroes, they hate the Redskins, the Jews, even us Irish. You
Até
ain't
nós
so free
irlandeses.
of politics.
I hate everyone just the same.
Well, in that case, you're going to
nesse
want
caso-
what I just found for us.
What's that?
O que é?
Riding round,
Eu
couple
tava
of days back,
cavalgando uns 2 dias
come across
atrás.
this old cabin.
Encontrei
Couple
uma
of fuckers
cabana,
lazing about outside,
lermas
all liquored
descansando,
up.
tudo bêbado.
I didn't think nothing of it.
Na hora eu ignorei.
Then I come
Mas
across
aí
this
trombei com um
hunter down
caçador
by the
descendo o
river.
rio.
He tells me
E me
they're a
disse que
stick
são
up crew.
ladrões.
Says they hit a train a couple of
Roubaram um
days
trem há
back
uns
near
2 dias,
Emerald
lá perto do
Ranch.
rancho Emerald.
This fella he was, shared a bottle we did. Then I robbed the bastard blind.
You believed him?
No reason not to.
Não tinha
He's
por que
right.
não.
It'll
Sim,
be a
senhor.
big haul for us. I saw 3 of them, maybe more, but I reckon you and me, we could take them real
A gente
easy.
pode dar conta deles fácil. Alright. Também. Por que não?
Let's go check it out.
Vamos ver isso então.
Them sons of bitches think they're mean.
Acho que são maus.
They're about to get a
Ah.
lesson in mean.
Bom trabalho, Sam.
You just keep your cool, you hear me?
Right.
Vamos lá trabalhar então.
Whoa.
All right.
Good morning, Arthur.
How far is this place?
Muito longe. É um pouco longe, mas tanto
Back up north
não
to
tanto
stretch.
assim.
Not far from the state line.
All right. So, what were you doing riding around up there anyway?
Sniffing around,
Tava
looking
pesquisando
for the take. I got a long nose for
um
these
bom
things.
faro pra essa
Dutch is
coisa.
always
Ok,
telling
Sam.
us to get out there and bring in money, ain't he?
And rightly so.
I ain't like some of them others back there, sitting around waiting to be told. I go after it.
I see you sitting around plenty.
I mean, I don't really know confident like the rest. But shit, Dutch knows my value to the cause. As from the moment I met him.
You tried to kill him, if I remember the story
Lembra bem da
right.
história?
And he kept me around, didn't he? He saw something in me. He said as much.
I'm sure. Dutch is good at seeing things in people. And while we're talking about money, you are clear on how this works. We split half.
Perdi uma metade, a outra vai pra gangue. O Dutch guarda nosso
Dutch keeps all our
seguro
savings
fora do
hidden in a
acampamento,
safe spot
certo?
outside camp.
Yeah, I know. How
Duas
many
vezes você
times
vai
you have to
repetir
tell
isso.
me? What's that box by his tent for then?
Camp funds.
Fundos do acampamento, mantimentos, coisas do tipo.
Hey,
The fact you don't know that
Se não saber,
suggests you
indica que
clearly
não
ain't put
contribui
much
muito
in
pra
it.
ela.
you always pay me way. Don't you worry.
You're sure you scoped this place out right?
Yes, see? That's why I wanted you along for this. You're still a doubter. I ain't just some dumb kid. I've lived a lifetime of shit already. Easy.
And you sure don't keep it bottled up inside.
What about that train job with the oil wagon? Made a
Uma
good show
carroça
of
pra
it,
óleo.
didn't I?
Me sai muito bem, não
You
foi?
got knocked out.
Ah, that's what you choose to remember.
Ah,
We got
Sam
paid. We
McCree.
got out of there.
Got knocked out in Blackwater, too, didn't you?
Now that was bloody chaos.
Did you get split off with Mac?
Nope, didn't see him. I lost you boys at some point when he was getting out of town.
They caught up with
Eles
Mac
pegaram o
a
Mac
couple of
uns dias
days after.
depois.
Davey was finished by the time we got up the mountains. Jenny didn't even make it
O Davey
that far.
morreu quando chegamos
Those
a...
bounty hunters strung me up.
É só nós tá indo aqui, tudo pra explorar essa área.
Beat me, pull teeth, burn me feet. I didn't breathe a word about nothing, I swear.
Good.
And it's time folks stop giving Dutch a hard time about all that Blackwater business, if you ask me. The man's not a fortune teller. You can plan, you can use your head, but you never really know what you're walking into.
Yep. Folks always want to blame someone when things go wrong.
Aham.
How far is it now?
Not too much further.
Better be worth it.
Hey, you need this, Arthur. I don't even know what I'm here no more. Helping the law chase down criminals? All right, that'll have to wait. We're nearly there. Hard left coming up. All right, it's going to be off the road up ahead.
Virar à esquerda.
Oh, here, Morgan.
Let's leave the horses here and go the rest on foot. Don't want them to hear us coming. Here. I'll deal with them. Let's make sure we keep one of them alive to tell it where they stashed the money.
Hope you know what you're doing.
Vamos ver lá.
Look, there's one of them outside. This is good.
It is?
Leave it to me. I'll do the talking. You hang back.
Hey there!
Vou ficar de cobertura.
I want to give you about 5 seconds to get the hell off my property, boy.
Look, don't want no trouble. Just thought you might like to know we passed a big posse of lawmen headed this way. There were a dozen of them coming up east.
What? Where?
Right here. Heads up, Arthur. Here come the rest of them. Watch it! We're coming out!
We got more coming out of the woods!
Look out on the right!
Still got more inside!
Come out with your hands up! Nice and easy! You saw what we did to your pals here!
Vamos lá.
Okay, I give up. Don't shoot. I ain't armed.
If you want to leave, you'll tell me where that money's stashed.
Well, all right, take it easy. Behind the wall in the bedrooms, if you stick your hand between the gap.
All right, you go grab the money. We'll keep an eye on Sunshine here.
Go. Get out of here and never come back.
Vamos roubar, vamos roubar.
Oh, here we are. You got some good stuff.
Why don't you see what else you can find, Sean?
Told you we'd take him, no problem, didn't I?
You did good. Let's see what the pay is first.
Took this up all by myself. A proper lead.
All right, all right.
You heard him, right? He said the stash was behind a loose board in the bedroom. You find anything yet? Don't want to overstay our welcome, do we? Hey, it's over there.
Vamos aí, Sam. Oh, achei. tem coisa boa aqui. É isso aí. Bom trabalho.
I found a place, didn't I?
Eu achei o lugar, não achei. Tudo bem aqui. Ah, tá bem, Sam. Primeiro não.
All right, don't need a
All
lecture
right.
again. See you back at camp.
Never know what folks got stashed. There's gotta be other places out there like this.
Oh. Josiah Cornwall.
Let's go, boy. Yep. Easy, easy.
Opa, tem uma missão secundária aqui, mas primeiro eu quero conhecer Rhodes.
Yep.
Puta que pariu.
Yep. Easy, whoa.
Opa, o que é isso aqui? Inspecionar local. Serenidade. Aqui tá a cidade vazia que encontrei.
Easy now.
A cidade. Parece que tem uma antiga guerra entre duas famílias por aqui, tanto Dutch quanto Josiah. Acredito que elas devem ter muito ouro escondido. Acho ter que pagar para ver. O Rhodes. Será que tem animais aqui? Deixa eu ver. Corvo americano. Lenha. tanta coisa pra fazer pra cá que eu nem sei onde começar. Deixa eu ver isso aqui. O que é isso aqui? Otis Miller. Otis Miller e o rapaz de Nova York. Oh, deve ser interessante. Será que é isso que o Jack pediu? Oh, é o livro que o Jack pediu.
Yep. Morning. Hi there, mister.
Tô conhecendo a região.
Easy.
O que aconteceu?
Help me. Please. I need medicine.
Damn. What happened to you? Here.
Toma, toma.
Okay. Okay. Oh, I just tried that plan over there. And it was like a gunshot.
Planta? Que planta?
Oh. The one with the pink flowers. Tiny little bastard. Steer clear. Thanks, mister. I don't in my life.
Some things you learn the hard way.
Yeah. You can say that again.
Salve o Leandro. É isso aqui? É essa planta aqui? Ah, já fez requisitação de item. O Xavier.
Yep. Okay, fella. Idiot.
Vamos voltar pro acampamento então. Ah, aqui é o pântano.
There we go.
Vamos ver que tipo de peixe tem aqui. Sei que aqui tem bastante jacaré. Então pra pescar daqui, ó. Caramba, vamos lá, vamos lá. Esse peixe é desgraçado.
Here we go. Oh, look, Sep. Well, look at you.
Olha só pra você.
Yeah, you can stay.
Vamos ver o que pegamos aqui. Que animal é esse? Garça grande azul.
Come on, pal. Get in.
Vai!
Get in. God.
Tem um gado aqui, ó.
Okay there. Yeah. Hey, mister.
Eradicator soap, and that's what you need.
All this Lemoyne air is free for you?
Quem é você?
Don't want any trouble. Just passing through.
You look like you might need a few smacks to set you straight. Be smart and keep dumb, okay?
You threatening me, you pissant?
Stupid bastard got a problem with authority. It's a real bad.
Saqueador de Lemoyne.
I guess I was told. Show it up.
Um saqueador de Lemoyne. Nova gangue. O Arthur acabou de conhecer. A região de Valentine quem manda é os outros. Estou aqui. Rhodes, a cidade de Rhodes.
my shit. Pay with my body and my mind. Yeah, what y'all pay? You believe that?
Hey, mister. Will you give me some money?
Toma. Soldado veterante, é.
Thank you. Say,
It
where
is.
you from?
Around.
Na região.
Ain't from right here. If it was you, I'd leave. This town lost its goddamn soul a long time ago. Nothing but nasty, miserable people.
Yeah?
Yeah.
É, deixa que
Them Grays moved
os
here.
Grays se mudaram pra
Bunch of
cá.
no good white trash. And they somehow got rich. About 50 years ago, they moved here, caused a whole heap of trouble. Yeah, reckon they was Yankee spies during the war and everything.
That's so.
Yeah, sure.
Sim, claro.
Howdy. Who's this then?
Come
É o dono daqui
Hello,
tanto.
mister. First time? Store's pretty self-explanatory. Feel free to browse goods and sundries on the shelves. There's a full range in the catalog right here. Okay, take a browse. Okay.
Interessante.
All right.
Ah, túnico capilar.
You looking for something else?
Ver o que o jornaleiro vem.
What you looking for? Thanks. Have a great day.
Eu não posso sacar arma nada em Rhodes.
Don't want to miss this.
Um show de horrores. Gangue nas ruas de Valentine. Na parte passada, Valentine matou X aqui. Parecia que as guerras X não haviam recomeçado nas ruas, principalmente coisa. Valentine é bem conhecida na região por ser uma cidade rústica com visitantes coisas. Os locais estão pedindo ajuda para o governo estadual e federal a fim de restaurar a ordem. Soldado da guerra civil cai no crime. Saqueadora de Lemoyne de não separatistas. Busca bem. Deixa eu ver. Maravilha pneumática. Inventor para teia limpador de carpete autorizado. Motorizado. Uma segunda corrida do ouro. Caçador de tesouros. Busca de famosa esmeralda de Guarma. Família teme o pior. Cidade de Guarma. Sequestro da realista. Recompensa oferecida pela princesa Isabel. De Luxemburgo. Esse cachorro não cala a boca, velho. Sequestradores assumam. Uma caçada por todo o estado de Lemoyne está em andamento. O estado de Lemoyne foi seu avô Anderson. A gangue brutal e sanguinária que passou a sequestrar o povo local em uma pedido de resgate. Liderado por Anderson, os fora-da-lei são responsáveis por uma onda de raptos e ataques violentos na região nos últimos 5 anos. O medo está crescendo coisa. Além disso, 2 dos 3 homens sequestrados foram barbaramente abolidos para o resto da vida. Vamos ver. Cerca contra jovens idosos, pelo que dizem Margaret. Perigo traz o maior ataque circense no mundo.
I shouldn't say, but
That's how it is.
Aqui é o xerife, né?
Come on now, boy.
Já ver que estamos entrando no restaurante aqui.
What are you in the market for?
Legal aqui essas bandas.
Y'all in here joining? Well, we out there. Settle down, fella.
Loonies.
Something southern. You're in my spot. Now get.
Oh, there ain't no cause no more. Don't pretend otherwise.
Find an entrance.
Move along. We ain't looking for your company.
All right, simmer down.
Away with you. Now, damn it.
Saqueadores alemães. São a gangue que toma conta de Rhodes aqui, né?
Hey there, partner.
How do you do, sir?
Damn fools. No one wants you here.
Hey now, you're gonna leave here, you got me?
Partner.
How do you do?
I stand, mister.
Hello?
Stand.
Game is blackjack.
Pô, Blackjack, vou jogar pra ver.
Let's get all bets down.
Vamos ver como que é isso aqui.
Bets are over. Time to start.
Use Blackjack, todos enquanto o clube recebe 2 cartas. O clubista da conferência tem um Blackjack, isso acontece. Isso aqui não deve ser difícil não. Peraí.
Card, please.
21 on the dot. We got a 15.
Hit me.
Over 21.
Better chance next
That's a bust.
Why don't you mind your own business?
13.
Card.
That's a 15.
Hit me.
19.
No cards.
We got a 15.
Tem que completar quantos?
Please.
16.
Hit me.
That's a bust.
Well, that's too bad.
Ah, não pode passar de 25, né?
13 there. Bust.
Okay. You're not lying.
Bets in, folks.
O jogador deve fazer uma aposta para jogar.
Bets
Ah,
closed. Let's get started. See an 8.
I will double. Let's see
17
whose
there.
luck is in.
13. All right, 14. Sweet 16.
No card.
High noon, 12. 16. Got too many. Bust.
Gotta keep at it.
Oh, ganhei. Não é difícil não.
We could use some more drinks here, huh?
Aprendi mais ou menos a jogar, não é tão difícil não. Rhodes.
Bets
Aqui.
in, please.
Okay.
Great, no more bets. Let's play.
Things beginning
blackjack.
to look up. Good.
Rack check.
See you 12.
Give me another one.
13 there.
Hit me.
Over 21. That's a bust. 17. 13.
Card, please. Didn't like that one much.
Wait.
Ganhei.
Wages of gaming, I guess.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Bets in, folks.
All right.
Betting is over. Round's fixing to start. I see 19 there.
Yep, card.
Got too many.
Damn.
Bust. Sweet 16.
Give me another one.
That's a 15.
Hit me.
Aquela Duarte.
That's a bust. 13 there.
Card. Forgive me.
See you again soon.
Hey, friend.
Hello.
Hey, folks.
How do you do?
Hey, mister.
Your face looks familiar. Hey there, partner.
Legal.
Somebody help me! Hey, Cap? Cap?
Olha aí.
I've lost my friend. Somebody help me, please!
Kevin.
Has anyone seen
O maluco tá procurando Kevin.
Hello, mister.
Listen, have you seen... I'm looking for my friend, Gavin.
I don't know any Gavins, I'm afraid.
English bloke. Lovely fella. He went missing and, now I'm all alone.
Good luck.
Hello, mister.
That's,
Procurando Kevin.
that's too bad.
Amigo do Kevin.
I am so worried.
Gav!
Hey, kitty.
Vamos pagar a nossa recompensa. Lá no região de Valentine. Um banco local, rapaz. Banco de Rhodes.
Hello, sirs.
Greetings. I thought you were sweating a little.
Thanks, partner. Hey, boy.
Ei, boy. Vamos fazer esse acampamento aqui, essa missão do Percy.
Yeah. So now. You run real good.
Quit bothering me.
Opa, que isso?
Easy, whoa.
Hey there, partner. You interested in a little friendly competition? You a shooting man? I've been looking for a challenge and I ain't found one yet. What'd you say?
Oh, why don't we find out?
Good. Whoever shoots the most bottles wins, okay? All right. All right, stand alongside me. As soon as you pull your weapon and aim, we let fly, okay? Go. Oh, yes! Yeah.
Yeah? Guess that explains it. I'm brand new.
It's hard lines, partner. Here's an idea. What do you say we raise the stakes?
You're on.
Well, that's what I like to hear. How about this? You shoot 4 birds out of the sky before me. We'll call it a day. All right, rules are simple. We're doing first to 4. You can count to 4, I hope. Stand close. As soon as you see them, start shooting. Wait for it. There they go now. Shoot!
Eu sou bom atirador.
You got a damn good shot, mister. Here you go. As promised.
Obrigado.
Thanks, friend.
Careful now. Next time I may not hold back.
You talked a big game, friend, but that weren't good at all.
Please, I'll let you win. Let's go, boy. Throw yourself to the lakes by giving it my all. Oh, there?
You know, it's one thing to be a lousy shot, but to act like a damn child about it, you're pathetic.
What? You calling me a child?
I'm just rattling you, fella. You're all right.
You're poking a dangerous animal, my friend. I'd proceed with due caution.
Ah, não aguenta perder.
You know, I can't tell what's worse. You or your shoot. Your guess is as good as mine. So you're gonna get it now. Yeah.
O cara morreu. Vamos lá, vamos lá. Pera aí, galera. Vamos fazer a missão da sede, aí eu vou desligar lá porque nós já fizemos muita coisa, já quase 2 horas.
Leave me be, Micah.
Morning. Still can't believe I lost that knife game to you.
Ah, o Jack tá lá, eu tenho que entregar o livro pra ele.
Good to be warm. Sure.
Good work, Arthur.
I don't know who drinks more whiskey around here these days. You or Uncle?
Don't you start.
You don't remember going to bed half the time.
What did I ever do to you?
I'm only kidding around.
Well, don't. Okay?
Maybe that's a good thing.
I'm very good at ignoring people.
O Arthur tá falando pro seu bem, Karen, só ficar bebendo.
Morning.
Molly. Morning, Dick.
Good morning, Arthur.
Vamos entregar o livro pro Jack.
Hey there, Jack.
Morning.
You're growing up fast.
That's what Mama says too.
Toma, Jack, o
I'd
livro.
forgotten about that. storybook you lost.
Thanks so much, Uncle Arthur. Do you want to have this? I found it near camp.
Sure. Thanks, Jack. Just don't turn into me. Promise?
Okay.
Vamos salvar o jogo, né? Óbvio. Ó, Chile Jackson.
You okay, Arthur? You want to talk?
Susan.
Yes.
Vamos conversar. Vamos.
With you?
Miss Gaskell.
I don't know.
What?
Been acting kind of crazy.
Mm-hmm. How so?
Como assim?
I've been killing a lot. I mean, innocent folk. I don't know why.
Yeah, that's bad, Arthur. That's
Ah,
real bad.
muito ruim.
I know. I just... Well... You know me.
Sure. I know you. But then you go act all crazy.
But I've always been crazy.
No, you haven't.
Maybe Mike could put a spell on me.
Mike tem
And
me.
maybe you're just being a fool.
Well, there's always that. Nice to see you, lady.
Good morning, Arthur.
Morning.
Good day.
Morning, Arthur.
Sadie.
Good morning, Arthur.
Você tá cozinhando.
Doing a good job there. Well, don't let me disturb you.
Fine, Arthur.
Entendi. Tá ajudando o Pierce na cozinha.
I've been working. Do some work, dearie. This isn't a holiday camp.
You'll be the first to know.
I want a rematch with the knife, Morgan.
Micah.
Cadê o ensopado? Bom.
So, Arthur, is it true about the bad luck?
What bad luck?
I just broke my pocket mirror, and I remember me old ma saying that a broken mirror means 7 years bad luck.
Ah, o espelho.
7 years? We won't see 7 years out. Don't be ridiculous. But if I find a mirror on my adventures, I'll bring it back for you.
Thank you, Arthur.
A Molly pediu um espelho.
Okay, I'll catch you later then.
Okay.
Folks seem happy, Mr. Morgan. We have been provided for.
We have, Reverend.
Have a fine time, sir.
There she is.
Hey.
Morning to you. Morgan. You're keeping busy?
Trying to.
Deixa eu ver. Eu vou doar a barra de ouro que eu ganhei, cara. Ó, vou comprar um palanque pro cavalo. Legal.
What are you doing, Miss Jones? I'm having a baby, miss. Oh, right here. Right now. To cheat on you, girl. Why? Because I'll take your bullying? If it's you, speak to me. Then I'll take your nonsense. Until then, shut up. You better watch yourself, girl. Oh, I will.
Always good to see you.
Are you ready to be nice now?
How many of those have you had?
Not enough.
Anyway, who am I to talk?
Sure, Arthur.
We're stuck in the ship now, Mr. Morgan. In the ship. We're drowning in mud.
Ah, de novo tá bêbado.
For a man of the cloth, you have quite a way with words.
Words are the very least of my problems. The very least.
I'm sure.
Don't forget to go hunting, Mr. Morgan.
Yeah, I hear you. There should be some real good eating. Can't have that pot go completely empty. I know supplies are low.
This'll help us do. Many thanks, Mr. Morgan.
Tem muita coisa pro acampamento.
Guess what?
You okay?
Enche o balde no rio. O que eu ganho com isso?
Hi there! How's that food coming along?
It's coming! It's...
Hi, Arthur.
Olha, seu pato tá quase pronto aí, Percy.
Hello there.
Com fome.
What you reading? Oh, some silly romance. Aren't all romances silly? Yes. And this one's particularly silly. I know you didn't care less about reading this stuff.
Charles?
How are those fire arrows?
Good, thank you. What are these?
Oh, a little different. Poisoned arrows. My uncle showed me how to make these when I was very young.
Poisoned arrows?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, not very nice, but very effective. You get me some oleander, and I'll make you some.
Thank you.
O Leandro.
Alright, well, I should be getting on. Bye, Arthur.
Agora eu sei onde tá essas plantas do Leandro. Vamos pescar com o Xavier.
Arthur,
You going fishing?
Oh não, eu...
yes.
Or running off to Como Driscoll?
Of course not.
Como Driscoll.
I was joking.
That's very funny. Yes, very, very funny. I saved your life, and now you torture me. Ho ho.
Shut up.
Oh!
Do you want to go fishing with me? I found an interesting spot. We'll do well.
I'm not a great fisherman.
But I am. I'll teach you something.
Vou te ensinar algumas coisas. Claro.
All right, then. Grab your horse and let's go.
Kyrian. Vai nos ensinar o quê?
This is you, boy.
Okay, follow me. I know a great little fishing spot along the beach. Who'd have thought it? Wasn't that long ago I was tied to the back of your horse while begging for mercy. Now we're all fishing together.
How do you know I ain't just looking for a good place to drown you?
Because I saved your life, Arthur.
You keep saying that. But I save your life every day I don't kill you. So we are more than even on that front.
Come on, you don't mean that.
You better believe I mean it. Now where's this spot?
Not much further.
Vamos pescar então, Kyrian.
This is the place. Some beautiful smallmouth here.
Bass?
Sure. This strip of shore looks perfect. Take a spot. Seeing lots of bluegill and bass over here. Bait with worms or crickets if you got 'em. Otherwise, maybe some bread or cheese.
Vamos ver que peixe tem aqui.
You get many bites there, O'Driscoll?
I ain't no Driscoll.
Já falei pra vocês 100 vezes, não sou o Driscoll.
I've only been with him a couple months. I was just a runner, helping out with the horses mainly. Bottom rung of the ladder.
And to think that was the high point of your career.
Calm goes through men like cigars. They ain't like you folks. You barely knew my name. I'm more Kieran Van der Linde than Kieran O'Driscoll at this point. Honest to God. Mostly I'm Kieran Dutch.
I hate to break it to you, but I ain't sure Kieran Van der Linde is gonna...
Vamos lá, Kyrian.
There you go. Nice. Good catch, Arthur. Now see if you can hook another. So, you think Dutch trusts me now?
That's a good one.
What?
Now,
É, nem pouco, meu amigo.
I can't win. I promised loyalty, he says, but you wasn't loyal to Colm. If I say I ain't got no allegiance to nobody, he says, how do I know you won't turn on us then?
I don't know what you want to hear. I'm trying hard to feel sorry for you, but somehow I just can't manage to.
What in the world?
O quê? Oh!
Fella's naked as a jaybird.
Is that why you like this spot?
My lord. There's somebody who needs to go to confession.
Hey, watch the line!
Oh, hey! I nearly gulped down on a minnow. Sorry, fellas.
Oh, o sujeito tá pelado, velho.
Why don't you take a break? Come on in. The water's wonderful.
Why don't you get the hell out of here before we hook that maggot of yours and see what really bites?
Well, aren't you just perfect charmers? Good day to you, then. Let's try our luck somewhere else. I know another spot where hopefully we won't be interrupted.
Sounds perfect for the drowning.
Come on, let's go.
Hey, wait up!
Are you coming then?
Oh, pal.
Ela tá pelado, velho. Cada uma, viu?
I've been meaning to try this spot out.
O que tem aqui?
Did you see that amazing bluegill?
Sure. That got you real excited, huh?
Come on, Arthur, let's walk down to the beach. I hope we land this monster.
Uh-huh.
It ain't easy to catch a fish like that with bread and cheese, but you never know. We might get lucky.
Guess we'll see.
Esse tinha uma isca especial, né?
Get after that bluegill, Arthur.
Precisa de uma isca artificial especial.
My pappy, mostly. I lost my mammy and pappy when I was young to cholera.
Your mammy?
Like I said, I was real young. After that, I was on my own pretty much, but I knew horses and fishing.
Well, just think now you'll never be alone again.
A mansão dos Braithwaite lá.
You got it. That has got to be the one, right?
It might be. Putting up one hell of a fight.
Não é ele não.
Nope, not the big one. Let's keep trying.
See? Look at this. Life ain't so bad. At least you ain't tied to a tree.
I'm still a prisoner, Arthur. I can't step outside the camp by myself for a second without being
Por um
terrified
segundo,
one
sim.
of those boys gonna come pick me up.
Ou como me pegue.
Camp, I got Bill and Sadie whispering in my ear all the time. They're gonna kill me in my sleep. It's like living in a nightmare.
Christ.
Meu Deus.
If I'd known you were gonna moan this much, I'd have never have said yes to this.
Preciso de uma isca especial. Onde que eu vou comprar?
You got it. That's got to be the one, right?
I don't feel very big to me.
No, that's not it. I don't think we have much chance. We need better bait. You might want to see if the stores around here sell anything better. I think I'm gonna head back to camp, Arthur, if that's okay.
Sure. Go on, I'll see you later.
Também vou voltar pro acampamento. Vamos fazer uma última missão aqui antes de acabar essa live, galera.
Come on now, boy.
Ah, merda, hein? Vamos dormir. Ai, ai. Nosso cabelo do Arthur cresceu.
Morning, mister.
Oh, Driscoll. Let's try that again. Hello.
I thought you were insulting me.
I'm only joking with you.
Oh, yes, of course. Silly me.
Oh, say whatever you do, Will, please, man. I tell you, if I don't get out of here soon, I'm gonna kill somebody.
If you don't stop hissing at me, I'm gonna kill you.
You come near me, sailor, and I'll slice
O que tá acontecendo?
Put that knife down or you could be missing a hand.
What is wrong with you two?
I ain't chopping
Mas
vegetables for a
questões sobre
living.
Oh, I'm sorry, man.
Oh, perdão, madame.
Is there insufficient feathers in your pillow?
I ain't lazy, Mr. Morgan.
Então,
I'll
por isso,
work,
ó,
but not
vou
this.
trabalhar, mas não é
You
isso.
can work?
Ó, Susan.
My husband and I
Meu marido e
shared
eu.
the work.
Ah,
All of it. I was out in the fields. I can hunt, carry a knife,
o que
or
você
use
quer
a gun.
trabalhar?
But I tell you, you keep me here, I'll skin this fat old coot and serve him for dinner.
Watch your damn mouth, you crazy goddamn fishwife! No,
calma, já chega.
Well, come with me then. You want to head out there, run with the men? So be it. But we do more than just
Mas a
hunt.
gente faz mais do que
We're
caçar.
hunted.
A gente é caçado.
Them things hunting
E
us
as coisas que...
got guns of their
Bom, elas têm suas próprias armas. Não tenho medo de morrer.
Good.
Ótimo.
You need anything,
Precisa
Mr.
de algo,
Pearson?
Sr. Pearson?
Maybe me and Mrs.
Acho que eu e a senhora Adler vamos sair pra dar uma
Yeah,
volta.
sure. Here's my list. Can you post this letter for me? While
A
you're
lista
there?
de compra boa, hein?
Sure. Come on, princess. Are you coming with me then, woman?
So I've graduated from chopping vegetables to shopping.
Shut your goddamn mouth. You cool down then yet?
Já se acalmou?
No, I ain't no skull yet. And I sure as hell ain't taking orders from that sweating half-wit.
I get Gotta do our share, princess.
Ah, tá bom.
Where's the letter?
Are you reading his mail now?
Oh, robbing and killing's okay, but letter reading's where we draw the line.
Aham. Só pra ir fazer umas compras, a senhora da Cidade.
You are something else.
I haven't heard from you in some time, so I pray to the Lord above that your health has not deteriorated further.
Você tá prestes a se tornar uma pistoleira.
Boring. Wait a sec. Listen to this. Since we last corresponded, I have traveled widely, making no small name for myself. Before you ask, I am still yet to take a wife, but I can assure you it's not for a lack of suitors. You ever actually even talk to a woman he ain't paid for?
Oh, look. We're all hiding behind something.
And what's this?
Okay.
Return to Tacitus Kilgore.
Oh, that. Now that's Dutch's idea. All mail to be sent to the same alias. Whenever we set up somewhere new, Strauss, he heads into town.
That's Dutch.
Doesn't start expecting mail from a Tacitus Kilgore, whatever they changed it to. Here, give me that back. Got work to do.
Temos trabalho a fazer.
Easy now.
Rhodes. A estátua. De quem é essa estátua de Rhodes que tá aí?
Okay, here we are.
So, what's the plan? I shoot the shopkeeper while you...
No, you...
Não, guarda isso.
I thought we was outlaws.
Outlaws, not idiots.
Ô,
We
idiota.
all fools around other people. These people are just trying to get by. So you head on in there and you buy
Então
some
você
food.
ali compra comida por... Tem armas, tem certeza? Senhora?
It'll be time for killing soon enough.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna go check the mail. Nothing exciting.
Eita, senhorita Adler. Já queria apontar uma arma.
Nothing.
What do you mean nothing?
Good morning,
What's in the
mister.
parcel?
Look, it's a morning, all right? for a private matter.
Hey, mister.
Really must be going.
Hello there.
Don't mention this to Vera.
Hey, mister. Good morning to you. Now say it like you mean it. Hello.
And hello to you again.
Let me take a look at you, tough guy.
Best you behave yourself.
O que temos aqui?
Sir, good morning. Can I help you, mister?
Yes, I would like to post a letter.
All right.
Uma carta de serviço para o Arthur postando. Peraí.
So, how are you? Okay, no trouble.
Thank you.
Tempo.
Bye
Ok.
now.
Hello.
Fumar pouco. Tarará. Limpa a arma.
Could you hurry up already? I'm working. What is taking you so long? Lady, I got it all in the wagon there.
I could train my goat to do this faster.
Hey there, partner.
Well, how's it now?
Thanks. Here, take that for yourself, okay?
Thanks.
We'll give it back then. Jesus. I didn't ask for his goddamn help.
Howdy.
I know you.
Okay, get on.
You're
I'm
trouble.
about done here.
Agora os mantimentos para o acampamento, certo?
I can do this, Arthur. You get on. Hop on. I'll be right with you.
Why don't you drive?
Okay.
Come on, lady, get a move on.
I like Sadie, not lady.
I know.
Yeah,
Sadie.
You get everything?
I think so.
And some new clothes, I see.
Don't start. I can wear what I damn well want.
Umas roupas novas que você te comprou.
My husband and I shared all of the work. I wasn't some little wife with the flower in her hair making cherry pies all day.
Yeah, I don't doubt that. You sure look a part now. Won't be long before you're smoking cigars and playing the harmonica.
I'll have you know, I used to love playing the harmonica before. Well, my house and everything
Ia
I
ser
own
completamente
belong to the
queimados.
ground.
Ah,
I know. I'm real sorry about what you know.
a Sadie quer outra gaita.
Maybe I'll keep my eye out for another one.
I don't want no pity. Just treat me equal and know nobody's taking nothing from me ever again.
Ninguém mais vai tirar nada de mim.
Just don't kill the camp cook.
Hey there!
Hey.
Opa, quem são?
What,
Saqueador de
what
Lemoyne.
you folks up to?
Just heading home.
You're in Lemoyne Raider country.
Keep it cool.
You need to pay a toll to pass through here.
No, I don't think so.
You don't think so? How about you pull over right now?
Pull over?
That's what I said.
Hey, how's about this?
Go!
Nossa!
Shit! Let's get the hell out of here! Here we go! What the hell was that?
They was gonna rob us.
What? New pair of pants? Think you're landing Ricketts?
I'm gonna run this son of a bitch down.
Well, you wanted to see some action, lady. Now you got your wish. Ah!
Of course. Think I can't handle these fools?
Nossa, sempre começou uma confusão.
Told you I could shoot a gun, didn't I?
I don't remember asking you to prove it.
I'm paying a goddamn tourist, you sons of bitches!
Lady, you aren't driving this car too much.
There's see? Not many still standing now. We Yeah, you run, you goddamn coward! I think we're good here, Arthur. Nice shooting. All right, I'll drive us back. Probably shouldn't linger here too long. Are you coming then?
No, pass those reins here.
Why?
Because you've caused enough trouble already.
I'm fine. Hey, you want me to drive? We showed those bastards, huh?
Remind me not to get on
Eu
your
não
bad
ficar mal
side.
com você.
And they was clearly planning to bushwhack us.
Did good.
Nossa, a 7 foi bem, hein?
But that's a
Foi.
lot of mess to make near camp. Hope it don't bring anyone sniffing around.
Are you gonna tell Dutch?
Maybe, if he asks. But maybe not. So now. Yep.
So who did they say they were? Lemoyne Raiders?
Saqueador de Lemoyne,
something
sim.
like that. Who knows? Anyway, don't you go ribbing Pearson about that letter.
How dare you? I wouldn't dream of it.
Right, you wouldn't.
I have traveled widely, making no small name for myself.
I won't be giving you no mail to post anytime soon, that's for sure.
I just want to peek in that journal of yours. The mind of Baubles.
Not a chance. Yeah.
De volta pro acampamento.
You didn't get yourself killed then, Miss Adler.
Not quite.
Well, I'd like to say I missed your refined conversations, but I'd be lying.
I enjoyed myself.
Divertiu muito lá fora.
Mrs. Adler did okay.
At shopping?
Yes, that's shopping.
Thank you, Mr. Morgan.
Don't mention it. I would ride with you again, Mrs. Adler, if you will ride with me.
Maybe. If you prove you can handle yourself.
Well, they say I lack finesse, but I ain't afraid of gun smoke.
We got this, Arthur. You've already done me a big favor today. Okay, Miss High and Mighty. And nice pants, by the way.
Oh, shut up.
Mr. Bell. My lady.
Morning.
How's everything? Good to hear.
A gaita sua,
Got a
senhorita.
whole harmonica for you. I look forward to hearing you play.
The only audience I ever had was my husband, and I'm gonna keep it that way.
Oh, fair enough.
But thank you, Arthur. This is real kind of you.
You managing not to kill Pearson?
Only just.
He ain't that bad.
Okay, Arthur.
Bom.
Are we millionaires yet, Mr. Strauss?
Good morning.
Cooking the books there?
Doing my best.
All right. Good morning.
Ah, vamos comer ensopado, esperar meio-dia.
Ah, there he is. England's finest.
Don't irritate me, boy.
The truth hurts, don't it?
Hey.
Morning, Arthur.
You ever gonna stop going on about the old days?
I'm about the only one around here who stands up for you.
Vamos servir um café então.
Mr. Morgan, I feel I made a bit of a fool of myself again.
We've all done it.
And you saved my life again.
Well, maybe one day you'll save mine. Or my soul. Yeah, like that.
Don't make fun of me.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Anyway, it wasn't a complete waste of time. I stole this from one of those awful men. You should have it.
Thank you, but you were blind drunk.
I was drunk, but I never forget my manners. Be well, Mr. Morgan.
Ah, me deu um presente.
You awake?
Hi, Mr. Morgan.
Didn't Dutch tell you to take a look out?
What I do and don't do ain't no concern of yours.
At least I still give a damn about this gang.
You don't give a damn about nothing but yourself.
You know Micah's running things now?
Only thing Micah runs is his mouth.
Dutch will see through both of you. I'll make sure of that.
O Mark quer mandar agora.
There he is.
Hey, Arthur.
Reverend.
Hello.
Galera, eu vou dormir, pera aí. Vamos dormir à noite. Já é quase 3 horas de gameplay, vamos. A Península Clemens. A Cidade é a viúva que a gente resgatou há algum tempo atrás. Deve ser a mais louca de todos nós. Bom, galera, eu vou salvar o jogo por aqui. Vamos ver. Bom, galera, eu vou pedir para que todos deixem um like. A gente vai continuar na próxima parte da campanha de Red Dead Redemption 2. Peço para uma vez, deixem um like, não vai custar nada. Participem da comunidade do Discord. Participem, quem estiver vendo pelo Twitch, o canal principal, o Ronaldo Carlos Televisão Gameplay. E é isso aí, a gente se vê na próxima parte das aventuras de Arthur, agora nessa nova região de Península Clemens.